you'll see that on the side of the S Pen, you have a couple of different buttons. You have a button that basically shows you like this little button right here, as well as a flat side. So if you just basically start tapping onto the display with the S Pen, you'll basically see that you have pretty standard type of capability. It's a standard stylus. So now you can kind of tap on things if you want to. You can go and have it open up certain things like this. And it's actually a very basic process. It's actually really cool. So again, you can kind of customize it whichever way you want to that way. Now the other thing, the other problem here too that you're going to have to kind of remember here is that you do have that button. So that button, what it allows you to do is it allows you to go through and basically kind of map it to different things. So if you want to map it to something specific, you can basically hold down on this button and it'll kind of hover over this little button right here. So if you see this button in the kind of far right corner right over here, if you tap on it, it will basically bring up a little bit of a note tab that you can kind of start taking notes with. So it's actually very cool. It has some kind of cool type of capability inside of it. And that's another really awesome thing going on for it as well. So from here, you can kind of, again, customize it a little bit further. You can kind of do some other things within it as well. But that's another awesome thing. I'd recommend tapping onto that. And then from there, it can kind of bring up some more things kind of later on. But that's another really cool thing that you have here as well. And when you tap on that button, you can kind of see if you want to choose a different type of feature, different types of things. You can kind of do all sorts of things in this kind of page. So all in all, that is basically how you use your S Pen with your Tab S10 Lite. And that's basically how you use your Tab S10 Lite. It's a pretty cool tablet. It has lots of cool features inside. And I will definitely tell you, if you're in the market, it's a very good tablet as well. So in terms of that, that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.